Hey guys, so it's Let's Make, and today I'll be making a battery pack for my tripod. Okay, so this was the first design I did. Basically when I was coming up with the idea, I've got the hook which will go over the bottom of the tripod, two USBs out, Fender batteries would be inside of here. Basically I was just going to use two USBs with a board that had a 7.4 volt in from a 2S configuration. But I chose this after making a circuit. I thought this wasn't the correct thing to do, so I designed these. The first one is just a simple one, quite square. You've got your clip at the bottom to get in. The board would be glued in as well as the batteries behind. You've got two USBs out. You've got a lightning charger, you've got a USB-C charger, and you've got a USB micro charger. A couple of things wrong with this one. Firstly, the display here, which tells you the percentage, would be upside down, so that's not good. And secondly, everything would have to be glued in, so that the case wouldn't pop out, and it would just make it harder to take apart if needed. So the second or third design, technically, I flipped the board upside down at an angle. This way you can see the display which tells you the percentage left. This bit is clipped into the front here, two clips to clip onto the tripod, the case which has the battery in, and raising this up a bit with a bit of an angle means that when the tripod's on its lowest height setting, you're still able to access all the ports. So this is the one I'm going to build, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so this is my tripod. I designed a clip here which is used on an old selfie stick, which I then put the camera at the end. Doing this is okay, but it can make it tip. Hence I had an old battery here for counterweight, but I don't need this anymore since I designed this one, which works as a battery pack as well, so we can charge it and discharge with the ports underneath. And then we can keep the camera charged at all times, as well as using it as a counterweight, so it's perfect. This is just a demonstration. It shows what it's like when it's on the desk, so this is on the lowest setting, and this is just about flush with the desk. It's currently being charged as well as discharged through to the lamp here. So it works really well. Okay, so now that's done, this is the final product. We've got the display at the top which tells you how much charge it's got left. We've got two USBs at the bottom, got USB-C in, a micro in. I decided not to show the lightning since I don't use it that often. Hole on the side so you can access the button, two clips on the top, and it weighs about 0.5 kilogram, so it works really well as a counterweight. So yeah, it's a good product. Definitely have a go at trying to make one at home if you can. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I've also got an Instagram page now, so if you want to check that out, that'll be really cool. It shows all the projects I'm currently working on, And I've also got a Patreon site for anyone who wants to support me. Thank you. I'll see you next time.